Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Azi Graphics. In this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this image manipulation using your smartphone. If you're joining me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. Without any further ado, let's just get straight to the tutorial. The first thing we'll be doing is bring our image, make sure it's at the center of our canvas. So after we've done this, I'll just lock my image. Then I'll just try and make it kind of blend with my background. Okay, I'll kind of reduce this one. So I'll just stretch my hand somewhere around this particular side. Okay, now you're still seeing those sharp edges. It's those edges I'm trying to get rid of. I don't want to make it too plain, but we just try and okay, so we will just all right, so this is what we'll be getting. So the next thing I brought in a text. Now you can see how I type my text. Be cool and awesome angel. All right, look at it. This is how I typed it. No space, just I typed my text like that. So I used the font size Beber's New. So you can use any font of your choice. I just decided to use Beber's New. So I tried to increase the bold. So I gave it for this my Beber's. I decided to use 30, the line spacing for 30. So what I'll be doing is now I'll just come here and select my model which I intend to make use of. So you just position it somewhere around here, this side. I move this side somewhere around here. Okay, so now you've gotten this part. So you just try and adjust this evenly. So okay, so now perfect. So I just have to move your hand until you're not seeing any glitch. Then you know at times you may just have to come to this other one and reduce the opacity, but actually I don't need it now. So you can see it is perfect. How do you know it is perfect? When you're not seeing any error. For example, if you see now you see some glitch there, or you see some little glitch somewhere around it, then you know. If you even something like this, if you see your text, means it's not perfect. So mine like this is perfect, but however I'm still seeing a bit of dots here. So I can just take my draw tool, because my background is set to black. I'll just bring the blur, the paint size. However, I'll just paint somewhere around that side. So I'll just use my hand to cover that side. So I can just come to my model here and just and come to color filter and reduce the saturation. Now you can see I've finally achieved like an effect on my model. You can see the effect. Be cool is having the text is having still the main picture. So or we can still leave it like this, change the hue, but however we're still having a cool blending on our model. All right, so that is the first part. So you can just choose and copy and just save your design like that. Make sure you're selecting the model and you can change the hue. All right, so you see it's be cool and however, so that's the first one. So that's the first style we will be exploring. So I can hide this one. Now the second one is I'll bring in a shape. So I'll just so we can see that background is set to black. So let me still edit this. This our background is set to black, so this should work. So the first thing is, so we'll just move it, put it somewhere around here. So I'll just undo this. Now you can see my text, my of this shape. So I have to just move it. I want my line to some of my text to show. Okay, so now this is perfect. So we'll come back to our text here, the image, and reset this. So you can see the effect we're having. This is beautiful, excellent. Now without even you getting that text, you can see how you were able to get this thing. All right, so that's all for this particular tutorial. We'll see in the next video.